Hello, it's Miss Christ, and I am going to talk to you a little bit about what we are doing in class on Thursday and what you are going to be doing at home. I do want to clarify that after this week, it'll be different what you are doing at home versus what you are doing in the classroom. But because my B day students are with me 2 days this week and my A day students are only with me 1 day this week, Thursday, I'm going to have all of you doing the same assignment, those of you in class doing it here, and those of you at home doing it at home. This is only so that we're all kind of on the same page for tomorrow when we will begin our instruction with Beowulf. I am looking forward to that remote learning session where we are going to be virtually in class together tomorrow. Each of you will log in and we will have a Google Meet where I'll go over some instructional things and we'll talk for about 20 minutes, and then I'll leave you to do some independent work, which will leave us with kind of an outline of what we're going to be working on next week. Each Friday I am going to try to introduce the material for the following week so that everybody is on the same page. So for today, Thursday, September 10th, if you are in class, we are going to be checking in together. If you are remote, we won't be doing that today. We will do that when I see you on Monday. What I would like you to do today is create a slide that gives me a little information about you and information that you are comfortable sharing with your class. I do plan on putting all of these into one presentation so that we all have a place where we kind of have a face to a name kind of to fall back on. If you want to upload an image that has all of this and not use Google Slide, if you'll just copy and paste that image into a Google Slide, that will make it easier for me when it's time for me to compile these into one presentation. So what you're going to be doing is creating a slide that has your name and your preferred name if that's different from what I have on my roster, a picture of you, a symbol that represents you, and one of your favorite musicians or songs. So I have an example for you. Well, let's see. We'll do it this way because I don't want the music to play. This is my example slide. This is my name, and obviously my preferred name here is Miss Christ. A symbol that represents me is peace, and as you will find out the more and the longer you are in my class, I am all about peace and love. I kind of like to leave all the drama at the door and have a community that we share together in this classroom and virtually, I suppose, this year. You see a picture of me and my kids. That's Stephen and Nellie, and you will hear me talk about them probably far too much. And when COVID was not a part of our lives, you would meet them because with Stephen's appointments, frequently he ends up coming here before I can drive him to Charleston. A fun fact about me isn't really so fun, I realize, but I really do love live music. If any of you are fans of it, you may see me out if it becomes an option again. And I missed it so much this summer. It was really disappointing that I couldn't get out and see any music because I think it's so good for our well-being to kind of immerse ourselves in some sort of music for some period of time every once in a while. I know it makes me feel a lot better. And although Need to Breathe is not my favorite band, I have really come to like them this summer. I'd never really listened to them, and I don't really even know how I started listening to them, but I've really enjoyed a lot of their songs. I don't know much about them, so if you're a fan, I would love to hear what your favorite songs are and kind of any information you have about them. And I was, as you heard the music playing at the beginning, I saw a TikTok trick actually about including music in your slideshow, so I just wanted to see if it worked, and it will because there you go. If you want to learn that trick, I can teach it to you too, but you're not required to do it. I just wanted to see if it worked, and pretty happy that it did.
I wanna be there when the voices in your head are loud enough to make you lose your mind. Just the same when you're dominating the...
All right, if you have any questions or concerns or you need any clarification, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can send me an email. You can get in touch with me through our Google Classroom or through our Remind. I'm always here to support you. Please never feel alone in this. We will get through all of this together. Thank you.